everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn a beautiful bouquet flower into a stunning crochet coaster. Okay, this is a coaster and this project is perfect for anyone who loves to crochet and wants to create something unique and meaningful. So grab your hooks and grab your yarn and then let's get started. Materials needed: yarn in your choice of colors. Okay, you can choose any kind of colors as your own choice. As my suggestion, you can use red, yellow, white, green and pink. Okay, and then you need a crochet hook, which one is a 4.5mm hook. Okay, which one is a 4mm hook, and you need a scissor. First of all, one color is white and I'm going to use for the second color is green, and then after that I will use a red color. Okay, now I'm going to make a magic ring first. So you need to make a magic ring. This is your magic ring. Okay, grab your yarn. Okay, and then you need to make a little X, and then you can just pull your second yarn and then make a chain of 1. And after this, you need to do is you have to make a 12 time double crochet. And don't forget to make a chain of 2. This is a 1 and 2. And after this, you need to make a 12 time double crochet in this magic circle. To make a double crochet, grab your yarn, insert the hook, insert the stitches, and then yarn over and pull through 3 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So we have already 1 and 2 double crochet. This second chain, like chain 2 is your first double crochet and this one is your second. We need to make a 10 times double crochet. Okay, this is a 12th double crochet. Okay, you need to count from here. This one is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. After making the 12, this is our round 1. Okay, and then we will make a slip stitch in the third chain, 1, 2, and then right over here. But we need to have a 2 loops, and then we will make, and then we have to yarn over and pull through all loops because this is a slip stitch pattern. Okay, and after this we will be making a 24 double crochet patterns. Chain of 2, 1 and 2, okay, and then this is a 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, and this one is a 5 double crochet, 6, 7 times, and 8, 9, and this one is a 10. Okay, 11, and then 12 double crochet, and 13, 14, 15 double crochet, 16, okay, in the same stitches, 2 double crochet, and then 17, and this one is 18 double crochet, 19 double crochet, and I will make a 20, 21, 22, and then double crochet right over here is a 23, and then 24. Now we will change the color with the green color, okay? And before that, we need to do is right over here make a 2 loops. Let's bring a color. Okay, after having a 2 loops, you need to change the color like this. And over and pull to 2 loops. And after making this is our round 3. For the round 3, we are going to make is chaining of 4, 2, 3, 4. After making the chaining of 4, I will make a double crochet in the same stitches. Right over here. Yarn over and pull to 2 loops, yarn over and pull to 2 loops. And you need to skip the 1 chain, and then you have to make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1. Skip the first chain, okay, this one, and then we will make right over here 1 double crochet, chaining of 1, 1 double crochet in the same stitches. Skip the chain and then make a double crochet in the next one, chaining of 1, double crochet in the same stitches. Repeat the same thing until you reach the end part. Skip the chain, chaining of 1, I'm in the round 4 and I'm going to change the color with the red color, and then I will make a chain of 2, 1 and 2. And then we will make a puff stitches inside of these stitches, chain 2 in the same stitches in the V stitches, and we will make a slip knot in the V stitches, 1 time, 2, and then 3 times, 4 times, and then 5 times. Yarn over and pull through all loops, and we will make a chain 1, chain 2, and then we will make a slip stitch in the same V stitches, slip stitch, and then chaining of 1 and 2. Repeat the same thing until you reach the end part of this flower, and this create a flower bouquet and the coaster. I will meet you in the last stitches. Okay, now I'm in the last one. I will make a chain of 2 and then I will make a slip stitch right over here, and then pull through all loops and then chaining of 1. I will just cut my yarn. So this is a flower bouquet, and same thing as a coaster. I will hide this yarn and then I will cut the yarn and make my work very perfect and clear. After finish this, I will make a bouquet flower. So how to make a bouquet flower? You can see over here, this one is a coaster for now, and then I will make a bouquet. Let's make a bouquet, everybody, okay? To make a bouquet, you have to cut a small yarn and after this we have to wrap our coaster one by one and then to wrap it, yeah. And then I will hold this bouquet flower with the help of my hook, because it can be easy when you hold your pattern with the hook, and then and I'm going to tie with the yarn. So let me tie it. You have to tie it very properly. Okay, now I finished my pattern. I really hope that you enjoy this pattern very much and this project. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you guys are new here, okay? And don't forget to make this pattern. Bye bye, see you.